Ever tried removing a windshield and ended up with shattered glass and a bruised ego? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring down at a spider web of cracks, wondering where it all went wrong. But what if I told you there's a way to make auto glass removal safe, efficient, and even satisfying? All right, let's kick things off with a kit that's near and dear to my heart, especially if you're a sucker for vintage rides like me. There's something magical about bringing an old classic back to life, and having the right tools can make all the difference. The BILITOOLS 7-piece windshield removal toolkit. This isn't your run-of-the-mill set. We're talking reinforced composite handles, the kind that feel like an extension of your hand. These handles are designed to give you a firm grip, reducing hand fatigue and making your work more efficient. And the steel shafts? Heat-treated, baby. They're not backing down from any stubborn sealant. These shafts are built to last, ensuring that you can tackle even the toughest jobs without worrying about wear and tear. This kit is a must-have if you're diving into a classic car restoration. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, having reliable tools is crucial. Trust me, you don't want to be hacking away at decades-old sealant with flimsy tools. It's frustrating and can lead to mistakes that could damage your precious project. It's like trying to spread cold butter on toast, just a recipe for disaster and frustration. You need tools that can handle the job with ease and precision. BILITOOLS gets it. They understand the delicate dance between strength and precision that's needed when you're working on a piece of automotive history. Each tool in this kit is crafted to provide the perfect balance, allowing you to work with confidence. Plus, having the right tools for the job just makes the whole experience that much more enjoyable. There's a certain satisfaction that comes from using high-quality tools that perform exactly as you need them to. It's like the difference between listening to your favorite album on vinyl versus a scratchy old cassette tape. The clarity, the richness of sound, it's a whole different experience. And that's what the BILITOOLS kit brings to your restoration projects. A superior, enjoyable experience. So, if you're serious about your classic car restoration, do yourself a favor and invest in the BILITOOLS 7-piece windshield removal toolkit. It's a game changer that will make your work smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more rewarding. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Happy restoring. Now, if you're looking for raw power, buckle up because the Equalizer Express Stingray Auto Glass Knife is about to blow you away. This tool is not just another gadget in your toolbox, it's a game changer. This thing is a beast, and it's not messing around. Built with a robust design, it's engineered to handle the toughest jobs with ease. We're talking a blade designed to slice through tough urethane like butter. Imagine trying to cut through a thick, stubborn sealant with a regular knife. Frustrating, right? And the speed? Hold on tight because it ranges from 500 to 3,000 strokes per minute. That's like having a high-speed saw in your hands, making quick work of any task. Yeah, you heard that right. This tool doesn't just cut, it slices through with precision and speed that will leave you in awe. This is the tool you want in your corner when you need to get the job done fast and clean. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Stingray is your best ally. It's like the difference between using a butter knife and a hot knife to cut through a block of cheese. The Stingray just glides through, making quick work of even the most stubborn sealant. The Stingray just glides through, making quick work of even the most stubborn sealant. No more struggling or wasting time. This tool ensures efficiency and precision. But hey, with great power comes great responsibility, right? It's crucial to handle this powerhouse with care. Always remember to prioritize safety when using any power tool. Safety isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Wear your safety glasses, gloves, and take your time. Rushing through a job can lead to mistakes, and with a tool this powerful, you don't want to take any chances. The last thing we want is a trip to the ER, so gear up, stay safe, and let the Equalizer Express Stingray Auto Glass Knife do the hard work for you. This powerhouse tool is designed to make your life easier, but only if you use it responsibly. For all you pros out there, the GT Tools registered trademark premium windshield removal kit is calling your name. This kit is not just another tool set, it's a game changer for anyone serious about auto glass removal. This is the real deal, folks, designed for those who demand the best. Each tool in this kit is crafted with precision and durability in mind, ensuring you get the job done efficiently and effectively. We're talking about the GT, 38 Special Reciprocating Auto Glass Cutting Tool. This tool is a powerhouse, engineered to cut through the toughest windshields with ease. This thing is a legend in the industry, known for its precision and power. It's the go-to tool for professionals who need reliability and performance in every cut, but it doesn't stop there. The GT Tools Registered Trademark Premium kit is packed with a variety of tools to meet all your auto glass removal needs. The GT Tools Registered Trademark Premium kit also gives you options for wire and cord cutting systems. These systems are designed to provide you with flexibility and control, no matter the job. This means you can tackle any auto glass removal job with confidence, knowing you have the right tool for the task at hand. Whether it's a straightforward removal or a more intricate job, this kit has you covered. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of auto glass removal tools, all in one convenient kit. Each tool is designed to work seamlessly with the others, providing you with a comprehensive solution. Whether you're dealing with a simple windshield replacement or a complex custom job, this kit has got you covered. The versatility of the tools ensures that you can handle any situation with ease. And let's be real, when you're a professional, time is money. The efficiency and reliability of the GT Tools Registered Trademark Premium Kit mean you can complete jobs faster, allowing you to take on more work and increase your earnings. The GT Tools Registered Trademark Premium Kit helps you get the job done right the first time, saving you valuable time and headaches. With this kit, you can trust that every tool is up to the task, making your workday smoother and more productive. Chapter 4. Now, if you're like me and you often find yourself tackling projects solo, then listen up because the Lil Buddy Trademark Pro 1 Auto Glass Handling Tool is about to become your new best friend. This ingenious tool is a game changer, allowing for single technician operation for both extractions and installations. Gone are the days of needing an extra set of hands to wrangle a heavy windshield. The Lil Buddy Trademark Pro 1 gives you the power and stability to handle it all on your own. It's like having an extra pair of hands, but better because it doesn't complain or ask for breaks. This tool is a lifesaver for solo operators, making those big jobs feel manageable and, dare I say, enjoyable. Plus, it helps prevent accidents and injuries by providing a secure and stable grip on the glass. Safety first, always. All right, let's talk about value for a minute. Not all of us have unlimited budgets for tools, right? That's where the Performance Tool W86565 Windshield Removal Tool Kit comes in. This kit proves that you don't have to break the bank to get a quality tool. It's packed with features like T-handle grips for extra leverage and braided wire for efficient windshield removal. Don't let the affordable price tag fool you. This kit is built to last and can handle its own against the big boys. It's like finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. You didn't expect it, but you're definitely not complaining. The Performance Tool W86565 kit is perfect for DIYers and budget-conscious mechanics who don't want to compromise on quality. It's proof that you can achieve professional results without spending a fortune. Sometimes you just need a tool that's dependable, something you can count on to get the job done without any fuss. That's where the Tool-Aid SG87900 Windshield Removal Tool comes in. This tool is like that old, reliable friend who's always there for you, no matter what. It features a specially designed tempered steel blade that's sharp enough to cut through sealant with ease and a pull handle that provides extra leverage. It's not flashy. It doesn't need to be. The Tool-Aid SG87900 is all about getting the job done right, time after time. It's like a trusty old pickup truck. It may not win any beauty contests, but it'll get you where you need to go without complaint. This tool is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable and affordable option. Last but not least, we have the eoocvt Car Windshield Glass Removal Tool. This tool is all about efficiency and control. It features a sharp-tempered steel blade that makes quick work of sealant and a knurled handle that provides a secure grip, even with greasy hands. We've all been there, right? You're in the middle of a job, your hands are sweaty, and the last thing you need is your tool slipping out of your grasp. The eoocvt Car Windshield Glass Removal Tool prevents those frustrating mishaps with its ergonomic design and non-slip grip. It's like having a handshake that never lets go, even when things get tough. This tool is a great option for both professionals and DIYers who value a firm grip and efficient cutting. So there you have it, folks, the top 7 auto glass removal tools to up your game in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior tackling a DIY project, having the right tool for the job makes all the difference. It's like the difference between running a marathon in flip-flops versus a good pair of running shoes. The right tool can save you time, frustration, and even prevent injuries. Which of these tools caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in auto repair tools and tips. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep your tools sharp and your rides smoother.